round 4. In this round, I'm going to be presenting you with statements. When you receive a statement, please consider the statement very carefully and let me know whether it's true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, you lose a precious point. You may choose not to respond, in which case the statement is available to the 2 other schools. If a school ranks and answers correctly, 2 full points. If you rank and you're unable to answer correctly, there's that penalty, 1 point. Best wishes to all schools. I'm starting with you this time, Sogakofe. Your statement. CO2 gas is more soluble in cold water than in hot. Wonder?
True.
Yes, it's true. And in fact, most of us have experience with this, right? You see those fizzy drinks? When it's colder, you see that it has more fizz. When you warm it, then it goes flat. Yeah. That's a lot of science, isn't it? All right. Prempeh College. Electrons in the higher energy levels of atoms require higher energy to ionize them. Yes, Evans.
False.
Yes. Anglican Senior High School. Water vapor is a greenhouse gas. Yes, Stanford.
True.
Yes. Most marine invertebrates are osmoregulators. Yes, Joel?
False.
Yes. Bony marine fishes are hypertonic osmoregulators. Evans?
False.
Yes. P-type silicon may be obtained by introducing controlled amounts of a trivalent element such as boron into pure silicon. Evans?
True.
Yes. Gallium arsenide containing silicon impurities is an intrinsic semiconductor. Stanford?
False.
Yes. Sogakofe. The domain of the function f of x is equal to square root of the expression 4 minus x squared is the set of x such that x is greater than 2 or x is less than negative 2. Yes, Wanda?
False. False.
Yes. The domain of the function f of x is equal to the expression x minus 1 over the expression x squared plus 1 is the set of x such that x is not equal to plus or minus 1. Yes, Evans?
False.
Yes. The domain of the function f of x is equal to square root of the expression x squared minus 9 is the set of x such that x is greater than or equal to 3 or or x is less than or equal to -3. Yes, Stanford?
True.
Yes. So, Gakofe, whereas the SNF2 molecule is V-shaped, BEF2 molecule is linear. Wonder?
False. False.
No, that's a true statement. The hybridization of the bonding orbitals of gallium in GaCl3 and arsenic in AsCl3 is the same. Yes, Evans?
False.
Yes. The HCO bond angle of the methanol molecule is nearly 120 degrees. Yes, Stanford?
True.
Yes. For the next set, I have a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Indicate whether the following statements are true or false with respect to individuals that are homozygous for an allele. Did you get the preamble? Again. Indicate whether the following statements are true or false with respect to individuals that are homozygous for an allele. So, Gakofe, they are true breeding with respect to the allele. Wonder?
True.
Yes. The parents were certainly homozygous for the allele. Evans?
False.
Yes. Each of their gametes contains one copy of the allele. Stanford?
True.
Yes. The next set comes with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. In 3 separate experiments, a collimated neutron beam, a collimated alpha particle beam, and a collimated electron beam are passed perpendicularly through an inhomogeneous magnetic field. Did you get your preamble? Okay, one more time. In 3 separate experiments, a collimated neutron beam, a collimated alpha particle beam, and a collimated electron beam are passed perpendicularly through an inhomogeneous magnetic field. All right, so now, Gakofe, the electron beam is deflected by the inhomogeneous magnetic field. Wonder?
True.
Yes. The alpha particle beam is deflected by the inhomogeneous magnetic field. Evans?
True.
Yes. The neutron beam is deflected by the inhomogeneous magnetic field. Stanford?
False.
Oh no. That's a true statement. Last set of statements for the round. So, Gakofe, the sequence 1, 2 squared, 3 cubed, 4 raised to the power 4, and so on, is an exponential sequence? Yes, Joel?
False.
Yes. The sequence 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, and so on is a linear sequence. Evans?
False.
Yes. The sequence 1, half, a quarter, 1/6, 1/8 is an exponential sequence. Stanford?
False. False.
Yes. And that's the end of the 4th round.
College. Prempeh College. The maximum current the power source can deliver is half E over R. Evans.
True.
That is correct. Tema Methodist. A sequence is exponential if the ratio of successive differences of consecutive terms are the same.
True.
That is not correct. Nkoranza Senior High, an exponential series has a finite sum to infinity, provided the common ratio R is such that the absolute value of R is less than 1. Belinda?
True.
That is correct. Prempeh College. An exponential sequence with common ratio R equals 1 is also a linear sequence. Yes, Evans?
True.
That is correct. Tema Methodist. The tissues of marine fishes are hypotonic to their environment.
False.
That is not correct. Nkoranza Senior High Technical School. Marine fishes lose water to the environment primarily through their gills. Yes, Belinda?
True.
That is correct. Prempeh College. Prempeh College. Marine fishes must prevent a potential increase in the volume of their cells. Yes, Evans?
False.
That is correct. Tema Methodist. Tema Methodist. When impure gold is treated with mercury, the gold selectively dissolves in the mercury to form an alloy.
False.
Say,
False.
that is not correct. Encoranza Senior High Technical School. Please, if you make noise, they will not hear me. Oh. When gold is being concentrated from its powdered ore by treatment with sodium cyanide solution in the presence of oxygen, a complex anion of gold is formed. Yes, Belinda?
True.
That is correct. Prempeh College. Prempeh College. Aluminium is not found free. Its naturally occurring forms include both anhydrous and hydrated aluminium oxide. Evans.
True.
That is correct.